All right, y'all. So I was just finishing up a one-on-one session and we were having this discussion. So I wanted to do a video to talk about it with you guys. And it's the three main reasons why you're struggling to pass your MP boards and how to fix it, right? So I know this isn't easy to hear, but if you want to succeed, you're going to have to take the time and make an honest reflection of what's really going on. So here's why you're probably missing the mark on things in in three steps that I most commonly like to talk about. So number one, your study strategy is incomplete. You're studying the right material, but you're using the wrong method. I know that sounds like what, Brittany, but you're studying the right things. You're just doing it all wrong. Reading notes, highlighting, repeat. All of that is not enough because you have to know where to fill these gaps and how to look at the material from a different perspective. You need to be more focused, more active studying and in an application standpoint that mirrors the actual test so that you can perform appropriately. Number two, you don't know how to apply your knowledge. So you know the facts, but knowing the facts is not the same thing as knowing how to use them, right? So let's think about it. Board questions are about clinical judgment and not just memorization. And I know you know this, and I know you know how to critically and clinically think just simply off of our nursing background. But there's also a heavy shift from going from a nurse's mindset to now a provider mindset because that's the role that you are now entering to. So you have to switch gears and clinically think as the provider. And oftentimes your background can be a hindrance in that because your memorization is off how you would move clinically as the nurse and not as the provider. Number three, you're not asking for help. Struggling alone in anything in life just makes it harder. But the smartest thing you can do is get support. A mentor, a coach, a study group, something, somebody, someone that can correct your blind spots, identify the gaps that you're unable to see so that you can work and study effectively and also build your confidence. And then also a bonus that I like to throw in is, let's be real, you don't trust yourself. You second guess what you know, and that's what's shaking you on your test day performance. It's going to shake you every time. If you doubt yourself in anything that you do, it's going to shake you. You got to stand firm in what you know and move off of that. Don't waver. Stand on what you know. Go with your gut and maneuver confidently, just like you would in practice. You have what it takes. You just got to believe that and back it up with the right actions. That's all it is to it. Y'all, you didn't come this far to only come this far. Time to make a pivot. Start studying effectively. Feel the areas that you're doing wrong. Ask for help and go get what you came to get. You don't work too hard for this. It's no time to give up. It's time to shift, pivot, and approach it in an appropriate way. All right. Bye, y'all.